So the aluminum is 4 by 4 with a 1/16 inch wall compared to ours, which is a 3/16 of an inch wall. It's 3 times stronger on the aluminum. The end cap is a plastic press fit ribbed cap that falls out. Inside there's enough room for the magnets to twist sideways so they don't lay flat when they're on the ground. It looks like the magnet itself is less than an inch. Magnet is 3/4 of an inch thick. Looks like the steel back plate is 3/16. And the magnet on the width the magnet is less than 2.5. 2 3/8. And the magnet is held up by those bolts. Look like they're 3/8 inch. Just eyeballing it.